All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful Thursday afternoon from the car dealership, guys. From the beautiful car dealership, because I got to get some work done on my truck. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I do pray everybody watching is very blessed. And Bitcoin is pumping like a wild woman running through the forest with a laundry basket on her head in distress. As you can see, guys, we are pumping once again, and this is the second time to redeem myself from the dump of yesterday, guys. The horrible dump that almost stopped me out from the long trade that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord on Monday's New York Open stream. Still going strong, y'all. Still going strong. And this morning, we had some pretty interesting price action, guys. We did have some pretty interesting price action. We came up to a very important level here and got a little rejection. But then we ended up getting a little bit of a bounce. So I want to talk about what's currently happening right now. So this morning, guys, Bitcoin did come up to a very, what I would consider to be important zone. We were trading this little range right here. And we had this very important area, this value area high CDW zone. All right. Now this was a level we were aware of this morning in the New York Open live stream. We got to move to the downside, bounce from the point of control. And as you can see, we're currently back testing this previous area of resistance now as support. Okay. So I've got my eyes set now on some higher prices, potentially even taking out the highs from yesterday, guys. Potentially even taking out the highs from Wednesday, the 26th of April. Now, as usual, guys, if we can get 1,000 likes during this stream, we are going to be giving away $1,000. Wow, $1,000. We'll be giving it away just like we gave it away yesterday, man, because when Bitcoin's pumping, man, it gets me in a good mood, a giveaway mood over here, if you know what I'm saying. So we're going to see if Bitcoin's going to be pumping. As you can see, I have also quickly taken a scalp short trade as well. Looks like that's going to get stopped out at the entry. Hit a quick TP on that, guys. The reason why we got a rejection from this area, if anybody's curious about why, the technical reason for the rejection, it is because we hit into the old point of control right from this little mini range. So this is really the last area of resistance that we have until we hit higher prices. Okay, until we hit higher prices. Now, as you can see, I'm also in a scalp long trade from right down here. Actually got into that scalp trade. I'm very excited. All right, this long trade that I am in right now, believe it or not, up right now 135% in the profits at the car dealership. That's the way to do it, guys. I got to pay for this car repair somehow. All right. That was actually a scalp trade that I took using a new indicator I've been testing out. It's a top secret indicator. More information coming on it soon. But man, it's a juicy indicator. Let's put it on here. It's called the Nines. Shout out to the Nines. The Nines gave a beautiful, beautiful long signal from right down here actually today. And it's kind of a little bit hard to see it on this screen right now. But it gave the setup from this area, and I took the trade. It's the first trade I've taken using this very juicy indicator. And we've got this thing on the screen right now. It actually let us know, based on these blue lines up here, that we're going to get a rejection from this point of control. Pretty dang cool. A pretty dang cool indicator, if I do say so myself. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to Chemical Engineer, double top on the 4 hour. Yeah, we might be getting a double top, my friend, which is why I've taken the short trade as well. Because the thing is, you know, I don't want what happened yesterday to happen to me again. You know, I did get liquidated live on stream. Shout out to PHEMEX N. Shout out to Chemical Engineer. Shout out to Mike Navarstarte. Shout out to Big Butts 28 in the chat. Shout out to Zoc NX. All right, guys. So here's what's happening right now. This is a very interesting time. I wanted to come share this with you guys as I am at the car dealership waiting for my truck, my pickup truck, right? I don't drive Lamborghinis, I drive pickup trucks. Good old Dodge Ram. We are coming up to potentially test some key zones of resistance, right? Some key zones of resistance. If we take out yesterday's high, I'm looking to come up to the $30,387 level. And if we come above that, I'm actually looking for a new high to be put in on Bitcoin. And I think we might be able to do it, because yesterday when we got this massive dump to the downside, look at the buyback that we had right here. Very, very juicy. This is one of the pros of longing the exact bottom. This is one of the pros of having the plans in advance, right? To take trades from the exact bottom. You could survive a massive dump like this, okay? You could survive a massive dump like this. And so, honestly, my next major take profit on this swing long trade is going to be coming back above $31,000. I think we can do it, guys. I think we can do it. Let's see if we can't make at least a quarter Bitcoin on this long trade here. So, we are currently finding resistance at the local point of control of this old mini range. If we break out, could be a pretty significant move to the upside. When we take a look at our market Cipher B indicator here, look at the money flow on the 1 hour. I was saying that this morning, you know, the money flow is looking pretty loyal here on the 1 hour. Looking pretty dang juicy as well on the 2 hour. If we take a look at our 4 hour time frame, the money flow is about to get a curve to the upside. And when we take a look at this momentum wave here, it does look like it may get a little bit of a move to the upside, all right? I see upward potential here. I do. And when we take a look at our daily time frame as well, guys, we can see good old market Cipher B printing that juicy trigger wave right here. Money flow about to cross above that zero line. So for these reasons, guys, I'm still maintaining a little bit of a bullish bias, at least until we come up to that $32,000, $33,000 zone. All right, now we have to understand the macro context of this as well. The macro context, guys, is that we are breaking out of this massive inverted head and shoulders. If we're going to get a rejection, it's going to be from this zone right here. Right, so we're not out of the woods as far as a rejection, in my opinion, but I do think we can come a little bit higher. I do think we could come a little bit higher just to put in a double top here, just to basically take out all these highs, everyone who shorted here, and then we can get our real retracement. And then, you know, I would love to come back down to the 25K. I would love to come back down to the 20K to get into a juicy long position, right? But this is where we're at right now. And here we are, 466% in the profit, guys. Up right now, about a third of a Bitcoin, a little bit less than a third of a Bitcoin on this trade. Let's see if we can't ride this up. Let's see if we don't pump. New York is about to close in half an hour, and you know what that means. Shout out to Lauren. Where am I? I'm at the car dealership, getting my truck repaired here. Figured I might as well go live in the waiting room. You know, shout out to the Casper crew. Shout out to Richard Morrissey. I'm glad you're enjoying the course. Are we going to see an altcoin season soon? Well, yeah, if Bitcoin pumps again, we are absolutely going to see the altcoin season. Once Bitcoin starts to range, we're going to see a little altcoin season going on right there. Shout out to Warpath. Shout out to Butcher Jerd. He says, oi, 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 Jason, hear me out here. GoPro homesteading stream. It might happen someday, guys. If we can get 1,000 likes on this stream, not only will we give away $1,000, but we will also... Oof, look at the hair, man. Wow. We will also do a GoPro. I will do a GoPro. I don't know if I can do a stream, but I'll definitely do a video. Shout out to Mark Rise in the chat. Shout out to On Hill. ETH will ETH pump too? Yes. If Bitcoin pumps, guys, ETH is going to pump. All right. If Bitcoin pumps, ETH is going to pump. So let's take a look at what's happened here on Coinalyze.net. Let's take a look at the order flow, because this will tell us everything, right? Yesterday, what happened? As we came up to these highs, we saw bearish divergences forming here, right? What is a bearish CVD divergence? A bearish CVD divergence is basically what these two indicators are showing us here. This is showing us that right now, at least yesterday, before the big dump, we saw a lot more longs coming in than shorts. And we can tell that because the CVD was getting higher and the open interest was getting higher. This is telling us that there are more longs than shorts coming in, yet the price is unable to make a higher high, which is telling us that there is whale manipulation up here, and there are whales absorbing the retail traders who are FOMOing long, thinking we're about to break out of a bull flag, and they're looking to push the price down, and that's exactly what happened. And after we got that bearish CVD, what happened was we got a massive long squeeze, right? We got a massive long squeeze, which basically led to a massive drop to the downside, not because people were entering into new short trades, but because longs were getting stopped out. Longs were getting absolutely wrecked and liquidated, including myself, right? And then look at what's happened down here this morning, right? this morning, locally, when New York was opening, we saw bullish CVD forming right here, where the price was making a higher low, but the CVD was making a lower low, showing us that retail traders were shorting. There were new shorts opening up, but price was unable to make a lower low, showing us that once again we had whales down here doing the opposite of what they were doing yesterday, right? I'm going to try and draw myself a good whale. Whales were doing the opposite of what they were doing yesterday. Yesterday they were wrecking the people FOMOing long. Today the whales were wrecking the people FOMOing short. They were absorbing all these shorts, looking to push the price to the upside. Now we've gotten to move to the upside, and we've come actually above the value area high of the local range, as we can see right here. This is our local range. We came down yesterday to the value area low of this range. I'm sorry, this was not yesterday. This was not yesterday. This is a few days ago. And now we are officially, once again, breaking out of the value area high of this range. So holding above 28.9K, this is bullish. Based on what I see on Market Cipher B, I am expecting another move to the upside. I would expect right now to take out these highs. Let's see what's going to happen here. Now, if we take a look at the trades I'm currently in right now, I did take a short trade from this high, and it looks like it's going to get stopped out after a TP1. Took a long scalp from down here, and let's see if we can't pump this thing a little bit higher. Let's see if we can't pump this thing a little bit higher. So right now, if we take a look at what's happening in real time, we're going to go down to the 1 minute time frame and see what's happening. So we could see that we had a lot of longs actually coming in right here. A lot of longs coming in. And let's see, do we have any kind of bearish CVD? Let's go ahead and turn on our order flow chart. Boom. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Make sure we are here in the car dealership right outside the women's restroom. Now, I know what you're thinking, how racist and bigoted it is for this place to have men's and women's separate. I know, not everybody's as woke as other folks around here. It is pretty disgusting to see. And hopefully they change that. But right now, we're just going to have to deal with it, all right? Now, we are seeing longs coming in here. And look at this. Wow, look at this. Very, very locally right here. We were actually forming some bullish CVD, right? Some very, very local bullish CVD. You could see just price kind of staying still. You could see increase of open interest. You could see CVD getting lower. And that's leading to a little pump to the upside right now. Looks like right now the bulls are in control. All right, and we're getting another little pumperoni and cheese right here. Let's check out our trade right now. Okay, we're getting that little pump, guys. We're getting our little pump, and our target, our next take profit is going to be 31,064. 31,064. We're going to set a TP right there at 31,064. We're going to take out a nice little 10% profit right there. All right, let's see if we can't hit this profit, guys. New York is about to close in about 25 minutes, and you guys know that when New York closes, it leads to what we know as power hour, where we tend to get those pumps. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to KV Hups. Shout out to Greta Thunberg. You know, it was a little bit cold out today. I'm a little disappointed in Greta Thunberg. I was expecting it to be a little bit colder. Shout out to Surface 9, man. Let's get those highs, baby. Shout out to Surface 9 in the chat. What is going on? Should we short now? I think the short was already missed, my friend. I think if we were going to short, we need to short from this local POC right here. That's my opinion. All right, that's my opinion. Shout out to Chip Chocolate. He says Bitcoin is not looking good as of now still. Chip Chocolate, what do you see, my friend? What do you see? You don't think we retrace off 30.3? I do think we retrace from 30.3. That's my next major target. But before we get to that target, I'm looking to hit this this 31,064 level. And once we hit 31,064, yeah, then I'm looking for 30.3. Oh, I see what you're I see what you're saying. Yeah, don't I think we're gonna retrace from here? Yeah, I do. You're right. This is the next level that we've got going on. But after that, I think we're going to go for these highs. But yes, guys, this is definitely the next local level. But as far as this trade goes right here, this is my swing long trade. I'm going to go for the highs. I'm going for the highs on this swing long. I'm going for lows to the highs of our local range, because this is my swing trading account here. We clearly have the lows right here, and we've clearly got our highs up here. I'm going for the highs. If we do start to reject from 30.3 and we get a harsh rejection, I'll be forced to close some of the trade here. But let's see what happens first. Okay, let's see what happens first. But yeah, I am looking for a short from 30,000.3. Let's see if we can't get something from that level. Let's see if we can't get something from that level. Shout out to Kaboom Gaming in the VIP Discord. Yeah, shout out to everybody in the Casper crew. What about Ethereum? Yeah, Ethereum is going to do the same exact thing as the Bitcoin, in my opinion. Ethereum is going to do the same exact thing as the corn. If Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum's going to pump, and vice versa. And vice versa. Yeah, absolutely. I know, Divine Hood. Money flow looks so dang good on Market Cipher B 1 hour to 4 hour, which is why I'm feeling super bullish. That's why I think we could go for these highs. All right, let's mark out our key zones of resistance right here on the chart. All right. So right now, we know that this daily. Actually, before we get there, let's go to the weekly. We know that we've got this weekly level right up here. All right, 30.013. That's going to be a key zone of resistance. Then we've got these highs up here. And then above that, I would say that this is going to be a very, very important high. These are going to be my three major levels here. If Bitcoin can reclaim all three of these levels, we have to understand that chances are very high that we are going to come up to hit the target of the inverted head and shoulders at 42,147. Because look at this. This is our last major zone right here. This is our last major support resistance flip right here. And then we're back inside this old value area that we were basically trading from, you know, January 2021 all the way until we lost that at like June 2022. And we've got the 0.5 Fibonacci. We've got the target of the head and shoulders, and we've got this mini point of control right up here. So that is going to be my target. And that could be really good, right? If we don't get our rejection here, man, we could really see a major pump for Bitcoin. We really could. I am expecting, to be honest with you guys, a retrace around this zone, though, because we can't just go straight up forever. We cannot just go straight up forever. All right, what's going on with the corn here? We're going to go back to our 1 hour time frame. Okay, we're getting a little bit of another little push here. We're going to check out our order flow chart. What is happening live? I hate to say it, guys, but we've got some very local bearish CVD forming. We've got longs being absorbed by whales up in this zone right here. Longs absorbed by whales right here. We need to quickly put in a higher high because, as you can see, CVD is getting much higher. Open interest getting much higher. Price is making a lower high right now, which, if we cannot quickly make a higher high, that is bearish. If we can quickly make a higher high, then it's showing us that longs are in control. So this is the moment that we're waiting for right now as we are watching these blue candles struggle to overtake the purple candle. It's a war right now. Blue versus purple, bulls versus bears. All right, I don't know if ExoCharts is going to load for me, but I'm going to give it a shot right here. All right, let's give ExoCharts a shot here. I had some trouble getting on the internet earlier today. Yes, we're not logged into Exo. We're not logged in. All right, so it's coin lies only, guys. Okay, so unfortunately, looks like here we are seeing. Oh my goodness! Wow, look at the longs opening up here. We've got some longs opening up again. We really need them to give us another push to the upside here. Okay, we need that push to the upside. Let's go ahead and pull a fib right now and see what's going on. Okay. All right. When in doubt, pull that fib out. Right? I pull my fib out at the car dealership. There's other people around me. They're looking at me weird because I got the fib pulled out. They're like, what's this guy doing pulling his fib out in public? Well, desperate times call for desperate measures, guys. Okay, so we are at the 786 Fibonacci. This is make it or break it right here. We are forming bearish CVD at the 786 Fibonacci. This could be a major rejection. All right, we know the 786. She is one tough cookie. She is one tough cookie. All right, we don't know. We don't know if the 786 is going to go into this bathroom right here. We don't know if she's going to go into that bathroom or that bathroom. We don't know. But she is one tough cookie, and she very well may give us that rejection. So here we are, coming up to the 786 with bearish CVD, guys. This is the level we need to break right here. Shout out to everybody joining the stream. We are live right now from the car dealership, waiting for my truck to get some work done. All right, my Dodge Ram 1500, the Jason Casper Mobile. Uh-oh, and we've got bearish CVD forming as we come up to the 786 Fibonacci, guys. This is the make it or break it zone right here. This is literally make it or break it. Okay. If we reject from here, guys, I'm probably going to close the short. Not the short. I'm probably going to close this scalp long that I am currently in, guys. We got about 1,000 people in the house, guys. If we can get 1,000 likes, we're going to be giving away $1,000 once again. $1,000 once again. Shout out to Blythe Majors. He says the 786 is smoking hot. 786, yo. Running the streets with the fib in my hand. Shout out to Duper. What is going on, Duper? Shout out to One Day. Okay, guys. All right, so look. Let's get back to our order flow chart and let's watch to see what's happening here. Guys, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but right now, if we don't quickly reclaim 29,790 on the ByBit USD inverse perpetual chart, we very well may reject from the 786 Fibonacci, and our hopes and dreams of hitting our take profits on these Bitcoin longs are going to be dashed to smithereens. Okay, at least locally. I think we can do it. I think we can push through. I have hope. I have faith. I have confidence in the Bitcoin price. All right, what is happening right now is a slight decrease of open interest here. Okay, this is what we need. Come on, baby. Let me see a blue candle. Let me see a blue candle. That's what we need. Yes! 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 We have made a higher high, guys. It looks like this bearish CVD is slightly invalidated. Uh-oh, unless it's just a swing failure. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's get that move to the upside, baby. Come on. Now, we know our next zone of resistance is $30,313. If we can take out yesterday's high, we're going to get sucked up like one of those things at the bank that in the drive-thru, you know? I used one of those things for the first time the other day. I never used one before. All right. Oh, my goodness. Look at that harsh rejection. Oof. 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 Oh, my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that rejection. Can you guys believe what we are seeing right now? The 786 Fibonacci giving us some trouble. Oh! Oh, now we're bleeding down. Clearly, it turns out that she wasn't going into this one, guys. She was going into that one. Alright, we were questioning it the whole time. I know it's politically incorrect to question it, make assumptions. We were assuming. We saw the facial hair. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Looks like we just got a CDW of the high into the 786 just to trick people like myself. Alright, guys, so we are still holding the schlong, baby. We are holding the schlong right now. I've taken a short from the local point of control. Guys, make sure to like the video for the hair. Again, if we can get 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away $1,000 once again. Man, am I getting old, or is this lighting bad for my wrinkles, guys? Do I have crow's feet? I'm about to be 33. Jeez. I'm getting old as heck. Okay, so yeah, this could give us the move down, guys. Again, the reason why we are finding resistance right here is because we have come up to the local point of control from the mini range that we had formed yesterday before the big dumperoni and cheese. Was that yesterday? No, that was that yesterday? Yeah, that was yesterday. Yeah, the point of control from yesterday, guys. We have come up here, and unfortunately, we have come up to the 786 retracement with some locally bearish CVD. So if we start to form local bearish market structure now, I'm actually going to close out of my scalp long trade. Let's see something right here. The scalp long trade that I'm currently in right now, I got into that. Shout out to Big Bus 28. She says crow's feet are sexy. See, look at this, guys. This new indicator, the 9s, right? It gave the long setup from this bottom right here. We printed a long signal right here, and then we got a divergence, and that was the entry that I used to get into this beautiful long scalp trade that I'm currently still in right now. But I will close that trade. I will close this scalp long if we start forming bearish market structure right here locally, okay? So, yeah, we need Asia to send it tonight. Divine Hood says we can keep going. All right. Shout out to Lauren. She says I'm one day from having dreads. Yeah, I feel that. I would love to have dreads, you know. I wanted to get some dreads back when I was in high school. I used to have hair down past my knee blades, if you know what I'm saying. That's another word for nipples, in case anyone didn't know. All right. So, yeah, this is a juicy indicator. Shout out to Surface 9, man. That called the bottom today. So let's see. What's it saying right now? What is the indicator saying right now about the top? Let's see what the indicator's saying right now. Well, it did call this top up here. I mean, it gave us this day trade short signal right up here. And it gave us some scalp short entry right here as well. So let's see. Right now, we are stuck in between a rock and a hard place, guys. We are in between the point of control of yesterday's range and this key support resistance flip at 29,500. So if we come back down to 29,500, as long as we don't put in a lower low, you know, your boy Jason Casper is still looking for a higher high. We're still looking to hit those juicy levels, right? 786, yeah, she's not going to get in our way. She's not going to get in our way. We're relying fully on the Sam Bankman-Fried bullish man boob pattern right here. That bullish divergence on market Cipher B that we so clearly formed a few days ago when we came down to the long setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord right from this bottom. Actually, if we go ahead and we take a look at what market Cipher B was doing during that time, we can see very, very clearly, actually, that we were, in fact, getting this very bullish looking. We could clearly see the man boob left, man boob right here. Boom. And so I have faith in these higher term time frame man boob divergences. Although I do have to say, locally now, 786 is giving us a run for our money. Okay? Is giving us a run for our money. Now, shout out to everyone in the Casper crew who took this long, and shout out to everyone who hodled this long through the drop yesterday, right? Through the drop yesterday. Shout out to everyone who hodled this through the drop yesterday. It was a juicy setup. I am happy about it still. By the way, if anyone wants to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, you can check out the course. Not the course, you can check out the website, jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead, join the VIP Discord here, where we do 3 live streams every single day. We give our setups, our levels every single day. If you want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out the courses. 25% discount in the pinned comments of all my YouTube videos. You can check out our trading bot for free, 14-day free trial. And guys, if you want to trade with 0% limit fees, if you're looking for a new exchange, right now I'm going to be trading on Bitget and MEXC. MEXC has really good fees. Much better than ByBit. If you live in the US, you're not going to be able to trade on ByBit after May 8th, but you are going to be able to hold positions and withdraw, which is good news. So I'm going to be able to hold trades that I'm holding right now on ByBit, and I'll be able to withdraw. However, I won't be able to deposit or enter new positions. So if you live in the United States and you're looking for a new exchange, if you know how to trade, great deal on MEXC. Click the link in the description. All right, let's check out what's happening back on the order flow. Okay, so we are seeing traders close out of their positions here, decrease of open interest after forming bearish CVD into the 786 Fibonacci. This is a picture of the 786 Fib. Now we're starting to come down lower. Now we understand if we're going to lose this key level right here, okay, boom, we're going to put a line on the chart, then that is officially flipped into bearish market structure. I'm going to go ahead and close that long trade if we lose this level here. I'm going to close the long trade if we lose that level. And I will keep that short trade open, but as you can see right now, we have seen a decrease of open interest here, meaning traders have been closing out of their positions, primarily long trades closing out, right? This bearish, this moving down of CVD right here, this is not new shorts opening up. This is longs closing out. We can tell because it's happening on a decrease of open interest. Now we're starting to see some traders open back up. We're seeing traders commit back to the market, right? There's other traders in the car dealership. Whoa. There's other traders here in the car dealership, and guys, you're never going to believe this, but We're watching some old school TV up in here. I don't know if you can see the black and white TV. Looks like Gunsmoke or some kind of old TV show. I don't know. It makes me nostalgic for a time I didn't know, guys. You know what I'm saying? Back when men were men. And you know, speaking of that, I've been thinking of taking up cigar smoking. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty dang manly. Brilliant Agnes has closed now. Divine Hood's looking for a bounce at the local golden pocket. All right, let's entertain Divine Hood's idea here. Divine Hood's looking for a bounce at the local golden pocket. So we put in this low, we put in this high. Are you talking about this golden pocket right here, Divine Hood? He's looking for a bounce. This is the Divine Hood level right here. All right, we're going to draw a circle around the Divine Hood level. We got the Divine Hood level, and then we got the key level where I will be closing out my scalp long if we lose this level here. But it looks like right now, we might be making another move to the upside. Let's watch carefully. Are we going to see bullish CVD forming here? Are we going to see the bulls take control? We've got longs opening up right now. Longs are opening up, which is either good or bad. I mean, you know, when you've got longs opening up right here, if we do something like this and continue to print more bears CVD, then we know for certain, man, we're coming down. Shout out to Big Butts 28. She doesn't like cigars. She says, ugh, yuck, cigars. So if the wife doesn't like it, I guess I can't be doing it. Shout out to Ryan and Brooke Montgomery, who's smoking a cigar right now. Man, yeah, cigars look... Michael Edwards says a joint is better to smoke. If you want to be a true G, you gotta smoke cigars. Smoke weed, why cigars? Well, when I smoke weed, guys, I get totally unproductive. I'll be honest with you. You know, I get 100% unproductive. All right, decrease of open interest coming down here. I know some people, you know, now I don't smoke weed. I don't smoke weed. I used to actually struggle with smoking weed, being a huge stoner. I couldn't stop. I would smoke weed all day, every day. Now I know a lot of my friends would be able to do it, and they would be able to smoke, and you know, they would have no issues just living life. But for me, I would do it, and I was totally unproductive. I would try and do it and write music, couldn't write a dang thing, end up driving to Taco Bell. I would try and do it and then go to the gym, couldn't lift a dang weight, would end up walking to Chipotle and then doing nothing, right? And I had an issue with it, but you know, I've repented of that behavior. But for me, it was an issue. I'll be honest with you guys. For me, it was a real issue. I couldn't stop doing it, and it made me very unproductive. Not that I have anything against it, right? I'm just saying, for me personally, it didn't really work out. You know? All right, so we're potentially right now forming some kind of a triangle. And if we are, then yeah, the Divine Hood level is coming in right around this box right here. This would be the level that would need to hold. Man, this is a little bit of a boring kind of price action, man. I was hoping for something crazy to happen like what happened yesterday. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We got about 1,200 people in here, about 500 likes. At the car dealership, guys. Sitting right next to the women's room. Okay, we've got the charging station over here. We got some old Western TV shows on the TV. We got some snacks. We got some water. Got some fake flowers on the table. As you can see, there's an exit over here. All right, I'm just chilling over here in the chair, relaxing. You know what I'm saying? All right, so if we can get 1,000 likes, guys, we're gonna be giving away 1,000 USDT. Blythe prefers red wine. I also enjoy red wine. I enjoy red wine. I also enjoy a good scotch every now and again, you know. Can I tell the trading view indicator of the 9? More information on the trading indicator soon, guys. You know, I'm just testing it out right now. I'm just testing out this indicator. More info on this soon, right? This is an in-house indicator. Somebody in the Casper crew is designing this custom, right? So this is not available to the public. This is not available to the public. This is a secret indicator. This is top secret right now. Okay, Getting a little bit of a move to the downside, guys. Let's turn on the 1-minute chart. Market Cipher B, money flow coming out right now. Money flow coming out, Market Cipher B. We came up to this area. We did see some bearish divergences here. We also saw that we came right into this area of resistance here. Let's see what happens with Market Cipher B. Let's go to the 6-minute time frame right now and see what's happening. So we don't have any bearish divergences here, which makes me think we can actually get another big move to the upside. But we really need to do it quick, because I don't like the fact that if we put in a lower low here, this is an official change of market structure, and we will be back down inside the range. So this is key. We need to hold above 29,500. We need to hold 29,500, because if we lose that level, we are coming back down into the range, and then it becomes more probable than not that we will make our way back down to the low again at around 28,260. Okay. Yeah. Support local breweries. Cigar and Cognac. Cognac Toppy. Look, you know, I'm not cultured enough to drink Cognac or Cabernet Sauvignon, all right? When I eat my filet mignon, all right? I don't even know what that is. I'm too American for that, all right? We're getting ready to close a 4-hour candle. Let's check this one out. We got 1 minute and 27 seconds left on this 4-hour close. And I have to be honest, this is not a bearish looking candle. It's a very healthy looking close of a 4-hour candle. This is actually a very healthy, bullish looking 4-hour chart right here. Because look at the money flow on MC Bizzle, right? Coming to the upside, VWAP coming to the upside, momentum coming to the upside. This is a healthy candle. You don't want a candle. You do want candles to close with wicks on the up and down side. That's a healthy candle close, right? That's a healthy candle close. An unhealthy candle close is if we had no wick to the downside and no wick to the upside. Yeah, it would be very bullish if we had no wick to the upside. But I feel like if we can close this 4-hour candle above 29.5, that's a strong candle close, right? It's pretty strong. Why are the markets ripping to the upside? Look, I mean, yesterday's move was a fast move, right? Yesterday's move was a fast move. And yesterday at the end of my live stream, after I got totally wrecked, you know, I said if we reclaim 28,200, then we're going to be getting a move to the upside. That's what happened. We reclaimed 28,200. We got that move to the upside. We filled the single prints, you know. We filled those single prints. And look at that brand new 4-hour candle, and immediately it is a little doji. Let's go back to our order flow chart and see what's going on here. Nothing to write home about. Oh my goodness, wow. Looks like we get a whole bunch of shorts just deciding to open up right now. Lots of shorts deciding to open up right here. A lot of shorts opening up, guys. Let's see if we can't get some kind of bullish divergence coming down into this box right here. If we come down into the box and we get lower CVD, that could be our ticket to Pump City. Our one-way train ticket straight to Pump City. And maybe we can even hit our take profit at 31,064. 31,064, our next take profit. Okay. A T-bone steak with a German Windhoek Lager. Nice, Desert Dude. Nice, man. Yeah, we got some Cognac up in here. Drive Tribe thinks it goes to 30K. Here she's going, baby. Here she goes. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. What is happening here? Wow! Look at that, man. Those shorts got absolutely squeezed, bouncing right off Divine Hood's box, man. Look at that. Look at that. Now, we didn't put in a macro bullish divergence, but if we go to the 1 minute, we did put in a local little bull div here. You know, we did put in a little... actually, no, that's technically not a bull div. Wow. Look at that. We had a whole bunch of shorts open, and now they're immediately wrecked. Look at this. Open interest increasing. All the shorts opening up. Then, boom, wrecked. All right, so let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. We're going to dump. We're going to pump. We gonna dump, we gonna pump. I don't know. How long we been here right now? It's been about 39, 40 minutes. Wow. All right, let's see if we get this. Let's see if we get this one last move here. Let's see if we get this one last move. Are we gonna dump or are we gonna pump, man? Oh man. I wish the pump song could pump us, but how's market Cipher B looking right now? Let's go to our 1 minute market Cipher B. It honestly doesn't look too bullish, to be honest with you, because of that money flow. We really need the buyers to step in right now. We need those buyers to step in. Yeah, shorts got absolutely wrecked on that. Shout out to Brandon Keys in the chat. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Come on. We're going to pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle, baby. Let me see a blue candle. Come on. Let's pump this. Let's pump this Bitcoin. Let's go straight to our take profit. It's 4 o'clock power hour, guys. New York is closed right now. New York is closed right now. Come on. Come on. Frankie Candles is 12 today? Shout out to Frankie Candles, by the way. I have a bit of a delay. Yeah, well, I am trading from a car dealership, guys, so. All right, this is my swing long. Let's check out our shorts here. Let's check out our scalp trades for the day. All right, we shorted the point of control. We longed the setup that the 9s indicator gave earlier today. Shout out to Dan England. Shout out to Blythe Majors. Shout out to Jason Casper's hair. Wow, look at that mop. Make sure to like the stream, guys. At least like it for the hair. Going to 31K and then short. I would love that. You know, that's my next TP on my juicy swing long trade right now. It's my next TP on the juicy swing long. Let's go, baby. Let's pump this Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me get a blue candle. Shout out to Surface 9. Yeah, that's a good point, Surface 9. I had it on that way so I could show the setup I took earlier. Barry the Rave. He owns Frankie Candle NFT domain name. Interesting, man. Do I buy from the grocery store? Of course I do, Emily. I do, but we try to produce as much food as possible. Why am I at the car dealership? My truck needed some work done, right? And I'm not that handy. My dad told me, he said, son, you better learn to do something with your head, because you definitely ain't going to be able to do it with your hands. That was his way of saying I wasn't very handy. You know, I'm not very handy. So if the truck breaks down, guys, I could plant the garden. You know, I'm a city boy, right? I don't really know how to work on a pickup truck. I'm getting there, though. Am I still in the gym? No, I'm not in the gym. I'm at the car dealership at B10X. At the car dealership. Am I short? Look, I'm in a swing long trade right now. I'm in a swing long trade, and I'm also in a scalp short trade. And technically, I'm also in somewhat of a swing long trade still from yesterday. Okay, so I'm in 4 Bitcoin trades. I'm in 2 shorts and 2 longs. All 4 of the trades are guaranteed winning trades, all in profit, right? People don't understand why I long and short at the same time. It's because if you can guarantee a profit on a trade, take half the trade out, and then hold the rest of the trade. Ooh, Big Butts 28 says, I am good with my hands. Well, shout out to Big Butts 28. Hold the rest of the trade. It's a guaranteed winner, right? You don't have to worry about price pumping or dumping, right? It's a guaranteed winner. So that's why I'm long and short at the same time, right? So I did short, and whenever a trade setup presents itself, I take it, right? Took the short from up here, locked in a profit. Took the long from down here, locked in a profit. If we start to change market structure to the downside, I'll close this scalp long. Obviously, if this short trade comes to my entry, I will be stopped out, okay? So you know, we came up to that local point of control. I'm looking to take the highs, to be honest with you guys. I'm looking to take the highs. Let's see if we can't take those highs. 10-minute bullish CVD, says somebody. Well, let's check it out. Let's check it out right now. Do we have 10-minute bullish CVD? No. I mean, let me check the 10-minute. I don't see any 10-minute bullish CVD. We did have bullish CVD down yonder, earlier this morning, right? Earlier this morning we had bullish CVD down yonder. So this was the bullish CVD this morning. Has led to a move to the upside. Right now we are not printing bullish CVD, not on the 10-minute. No, sir. No, sir. All right, we're between a rock and a hard place. Market Cipher B is printing the floppy butt cheek blowout pattern right here. All right, we're getting the floppy butt cheek blowout pattern where momentum is getting lower, money flow is getting lower, price is getting lower. Our long trades are suffering, guys. Our longs are suffering. Our shorts are in profit. We've got the cargo shorts on, Fred Durst style, 2003 new metal style, cargo pants, cargo shorts, Chester Bennington style. What broker do I use for TradingView? None. I don't use any. ByBit or some other exchange? Well, Darren Clark, here's the truth, man. Starting May 8th, ByBit is not going to allow you to open up new trades. They are not going to allow you to deposit money into your account. So I am switching to MEXC and Bitget and possibly ByBit. But if you already have an open trade on ByBit, you will be able to hold the trade that's open. And in addition to that, if, okay, you know what? I'm taking some profit on this long here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dang. Come on, come on, Bitcoin. I'm trying to take some profit on this long. If you have trades open on ByBit, you can hold them and you can withdraw on May 8th. That's the official announcement that I got from the exchange. Although I do have to say, the information that's been coming out has been very spotty. Crap. Okay, there we go. All right, locked in a juicy 1,000 USDT profit on this long trade. Still have one fourth of the position open here. Let's see. All right, if we come down to maybe, let's say, I don't know. It's just a scalp trade, right? Still got the swing long open. Now, I am looking to give away this money right here. I'm looking to give away these realized profits if we can get 1,000 likes during the stream. We got about 700 likes. We got about 1,300 people in the hoose, baby. All right, Ryan closed his long and opened his short. Well, I'm kind of in the same boat. I just took some profits on that long trade because I figured, man, what a dumb thing it would be not to realize some of that profit here as we're finding some local resistance. That doesn't mean I'm necessarily bearish, guys. It just means when you're in profit, take those dang profits. That's why we're here. We're here to take profits. They call me Jay Take Profits. Just kidding. That's another YouTuber. He trades Forex. Am I doing a giveaway today? I will if we can get 1,000 likes soon. We got to get it soon, guys. Because once my car is done, I'm going to have to head out of here. All right. Shout out to Chip Chocolate. He told y'all. He did. Shout out to Chip Chocolate. He called this dump, man. Jason Casper's been wrong the past 2 days, right? You know, you're not always right. I've been on a right streak for the past 2 weeks. And you know, the past 2 days I've been flopping and groping a little bit. But at least I can flop and grope profitably. At least I can flop and grope profitably. Trade on Nexo? I've never heard of Nexo, man. I've never heard of trading on Nexo. I know I would stay away from it. I don't know. I would not stay. I would stay away from it. Didn't they go bankrupt or something? I don't know. What do I know? I don't know anything. You know, this is not financial advice. Give us a juicy entry right now. All right, I'll give you a juicy entry right now. Right here. Short trade. Stop loss above the high. And shoot for the golden pocket. Not financial advice. But if I had to gun to my head and I had to take a position right now, this would be the trade I would take. This would be it, because look, we're putting in a lower high, rejecting, and you know, this is a good risk to reward ratio. I'm not taking this trade. I don't have a reason to take this trade. I don't have my confirmations to take that trade. I don't have my confirmations to take that trade. But if I was forced to pick a trade right now, it would have to be a short trade. It couldn't be a long. I would never long at this zone here. Yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, you could say we're putting in a double bottom here. So I guess if you did want a long, this would be your long trade. All right, this would be your long trade. Stop loss below the low. And shoot for new highs. Also a good risk to reward ratio. Both of those trades are acceptable trades with good risk management, but I would not take either of those because there's, in my opinion, I don't have any kind of Jason Casper confirmation for a long or a short here, right? I don't have Jason Casper confirmation for a long or a short right now. But this is a key level, guys. If we don't get some kind of CDW here, man, we could dump, and then Chip Chocolate will be absolutely correct in his analysis. All right, so we're gonna hit a take profit at 29,000 on the short. 29,000 on the short. We're gonna take out half a Bitcoin right there, and then we'll hit another TP down here at the GP 28,250. 8,250. With another half Bitcoin right there. All right, let's go, baby. Now we just sit back and relax, pretend like we're smoking a cigar because we're so dang manly. Isn't that how you smoke a cigar? You'd be like put in between your fingers or something. You're not supposed to inhale it. You're not supposed to inhale it, I guess. Oh man. Is Binance trustworthy? Yeah, I think Binance is trustworthy, you know? I think Binance is trustworthy. All right, shout out to Chip Chocolate, who needs to show me this strategy. It has to do with delta imbalances on ExoCharts. Just last week, made over 10K and 3K in profits just today. I'm down, bro. I'm down to see your strategy, man. I'm always down. How do you manage your emotions while trading? Well, the truth is you have to stop caring, man. You just have to stop caring about money. And you have to use good risk management. I mean, honestly, right? You got to use good risk management. It's one of the reasons why I use high leverage, right? I got wrecked yesterday, lost 1% of my trading account. I typically keep about 150, 200K in my trading account. 150 to 200K in my trading account. That's the happy medium for me. We're bouncing from the 21 EMA, says somebody in chat. All right, well, let's see what happens here. Luis Rivera, shout out to Luis Rivera. I'm just going to a different exchange, bro. I'm going to MEXC, right? MEXC is going to be a good exchange here. 0% limit fees, 33% off market fees. This is going to be my main squeeze right now. And also Bitget, but man, MEXC with the fees, guys. If you use my link in the pinned comment, I think in the description as well, you can get all these rewards or whatever they are. I don't know. All right, we are short, we are long. We are schlong, baby. We're just chilling in a schlong right outside the women's bathroom here. And we also got the men's bathroom right over here too. Right? We don't discriminate against gender. Shout out to Service 9. He loves MEXC. Double bottom in on the 1 minute. Let's check out the 1 minute here. Yeah, I see that double bottom, but let's take a look at market Cipher. Bizzle. It's looking pretty bearish. Bearish. No, MEXC does not require KYC. And right now, the bot, guys, the Crypto Fusion bot, we are quickly working to get it over to PHEMEX. But then we're quickly working to get it on every exchange ASAP, baby. So, do we have bullish CBD, crypto, and tech guy? Let's check it out. Bullish CBD. We might. Let's check this out. Oh wait, that's the 15-minute chart. Hang on. Looks like we do have a good amount of shorts actually opening up here. Yeah, we got a good amount of shorts opening up here. Yeah, this is bullish CBD, guys. This is bullish CBD, unless we put in a lower low, which case it's leading CBD, right? So, you know, this is not the kind of bullish CBD that I would be long in the farm on, personally. But wow, look at those shorts coming in. Oh my goodness, millions of shorts coming in. Actually, I don't know the number because I don't have XO. But based on coinalize.net right now, look at this massive juicy increase of open interest. Oh my goodness, wow. Shorts coming in out the wazoo. In the car dealership, we're talking about shorts coming out the wazoo. Look at this massive increase of open interest as we're coming down to make that slightly higher low right here. Okay, all right, guys. Maybe there is hope. It is power hour. New York Market Exchange Cycle Wall Street Journal is closed. Those New York Wall Street guys, they're closed. They're going home. They're going home to their families. They're not trading anymore. All right. I just picture a whole bunch of guys in suits still in the old school like stock market thing from the 20s. That's what I picture when New York opens. Those old school stockbrokers. Yeah, this is bullish CBD. I wish I could log into XO, but yeah, it looks like we have a large amount of shorts opening up down here. Large amount of shorts opening up down here. Even more shorts opening up. Everything's good? All right. All right, guys. We got shorts opening up. And it looks like the truck is all done. Man, but oh my goodness, we're about to pump like crazy. Should I have closed out of this long trade? Should I have taken profits, or should I have coulda, woulda, shoulda? The regret of my heart. Jeez. All right, guys, I do have to head out, unfortunately, but look, I do pray everybody is super blessed in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still pray you're super blessed. May the Lord bless you. May he protect you. May he shine light upon you. May he have grace upon you. And may the Lord turn his face towards you and give you wholeness and peace in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I do pray everyone is very blessed, and I'll see you all in the next stream. Peace.